Here's method 1 for tying a clove hitch around a tent stake. First, bring the rope around the stake. Then put it over the rest of the rope. Then, bring the rope around the stake again. And then, bring it underneath the rope that you just brought around the stake. So put it in between that rope and the rope behind it. And now, pull tight. That is method 1 for tying a clove hitch to a tent stake. Method 2 for tying a clove hitch involves tying it away from the stake and then inserting it on top. With method 2, first you're going to make a loop like this, make another loop a little further down on the rope, make sure it's going the same direction in both loops. Then you're going to put the second loop on top over the first loop, put it on top of the stake, and then pull both ends to tighten. To undo the knot, all you have to do is push the loose rope through, pull it, and it comes off just like that.